Hey there! Today I'd like to show you how I introduce reading using the wonderfully organized book by Joanne Martin entitled I Can Read Music. Lots of different ways people like to use this book, so I'd like to show you how I've been using it. This page is in the very beginning of I Can Read Music, and it has all of the strings, the names of the notes on each string, and what finger you use to create that note. So G string, D string, A string, E string. And it's also going to have a rhythm chart showing you all of the types of rhythms we're going to discuss in this book and how the durations make sense. So we'll discuss this in great detail. I just want you to be able to refer back to this. So how I like to use each lesson is that we're going to say the names of the notes and then we'll play them. In this lesson, we're going to learn two notes, A, which is open A, and B, which is one finger pushed down on the A. So we're going to say A, A, B, 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 A, A. Make sure you're saying them with me. So notice that the A is on a space, the second space up. We'll discuss all of them eventually, but starting out, we're just going to jump right in. The A is the second space, and the B is on a line. So he's got a line through the head of the note. Great. After we've said it, we're going to play it. We'll do number two. A, B, 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 A, B, 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 B. Number three, B, 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 A, B, 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 A. Now let's play it. Number four, A, B, B, A, B, B, A, B, 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 A. Let's play it. Number five, B, B, A, B, 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 A. Let's play it. So now let's get into the rhythm side of this lesson one. Joanne Martin separates pitch and rhythm in this book. The pitches are going to be going up or down. We're going to have the notes going towards the top of the page when they're getting higher and going towards the bottom of the page when they're getting lower. When we're talking about rhythm, we're talking about the duration of each note. That is, how long is it going to last? As the notes get faster, they'll get filled in or we'll add flags to make them go quicker. I'll explain each one as we go. Please let me know any questions that you might have in the comments section, and please let me know how I can be of service to you. I know you hear this all the time, but if you're enjoying this video, please subscribe, like, and share to let somebody else be able to use this information. Thank you so much. Here we're going to learn quarter notes. Quarter notes are these little black notes with the head filled in, and the half note is going to be empty. I often call them empty bellies. So we have two quarter notes and a half note. These are all on open A, by the way. So A, and a long A. So I often call them walk, walk, slow, walk, walk, slow, walk, walk, slow, slow. The idea of having the walks and slows to say is to understand that the slow O will make your bow go slower in order to make the sound continue through 2 beats. We're going to play it now. So let's go back to number 1. We'll say, then play. Walk, 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 slow. Number 3, slow, walk, 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 slow, walk, walk, slow, walk, walk. Number 4, walk, walk, slow, walk, walk, slow, slow, walk, 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 walk. Let's play it. Number 5, slow, walk, walk, slow, walk, 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 slow. Great job. Keep up the good work.